Russian Defense Ministry spokesperson Igor Konashenkov claimed that Ukrainians lose a large number of army and military equipment since the invasion. Ukraine loses the flagship in high-end military equipment and weapons. Based on the data on the Russian Ministry of Defense official Telegram account, 215 aeroplanes and 132 helicopters, 1,373 unmanned aerial vehicles, 350 anti-aircraft missile systems, 3,830 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 684 combat vehicles equipped with multiple rocket launcher systems, 3,025 field artillery cannons and mortars, as well as 3,870 units of the special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation. On the other hand, Ukrainian also reported the Russian loses 217 aircraft, 184 helicopters, 1,552 tanks and other aircraft warfare systems, 243 multiple rocket launcher systems, 2,575 vehicles, field tanks, and 636 unmanned area vehicles and 14 boot.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.